Hi girls, today we are going to learn how to operate a sewing machine. I know your favorite lesson. Everyone like to stitch on machine, but yeah, it's not easy also. Of course it is easy, but when we learn properly, when we know the techniques, it's really very easy. And our classes, we have all the motor machines. I have fixed motor for every machine, so it's still more easy to use. But what happens, first we are excited more that first day of the class, then we are scared also, so we do some mistakes, minor mistakes we do, and then we think, oh, I cannot learn the machine, oh, needle is breaking, oh, thread is cutting. No, so it's not like that. It's really very easy. We have to keep lot of patience actually and make the machine your friend. When you make your machine your friend, of course she will also give you in returns a very good finishing and satisfaction. So today I am going to show you how to use the machine. I am going to show you what are the parts of the machine and how to stitch on the machine. So I don't want to take your much time. We will go on the machine right away. This is a full shutter machine. We say a big machine. We generally use with the help of a motor, a heavy duty motor which runs very fast actually, so we can give a good production. Now this part is called a wheel. To control the stitches, to control the footer, to control the needle part, this is the part where we fill the thread in a bobbin. Bobbin filling we do in 2-3 different ways also. This is a stitch width controller. We can make stitch big and small. This is a back stitch controller. This we use in the beginning of the stitch and at the ending of the stitch to lock it. We say it is a lock controller also. This is a spool where we put a thread. Then those are small oil cans or drums you can say. Then there are holes where we have to pour the oil. We have to oil the machine regularly. So if you oil the machine on daily basis also, it is good. These are called foot. 2 foots are there, you can see, where we keep our fabric and stitch. There are different types of foots, single and double. This is a screw which helps us to fix the needle. There are 2 types of needle. One is a round needle, one is a flat needle. This big machine, full shutter machine, we use only round needle. Generally I use 16 number needle for everything. Then coming at the back side, it is a stop, as a stopper you can say, which helps us to lift the footer up and down to place the fabric easily or comfortably you can say. Then for this, try to use your right hand only, because left hand it will make you a little uncomfortable. Here we put bobbin and bobbin case. To put that we have to use both the hands, holding upward and downward. We will show you that in a very detail. So at present, first let us start by filling the bobbin and placing the thread. So this is a bobbin and bobbin case. I am taking this bobbin. I am going to put on this. There is one rod, in that we will fix it. See, the bobbin thread is from the up. You can see it's up, it's not down. So keep it up so you will face it easy to fill the bobbin. See, this is now a black thread. I just want to go with the yellow thread. I will fill that thread. You can take the thread and fix it in that, and just press the button which I showed you, and just press the accelerator from the bottom. It will start filling automatically. Just see how much thread you want, you can fill it. Thread filling externally we do on the wheel also, if this won't work properly. This is a bobbin case. You can see the open side is up. We have to place it like that only always. this is a bobbin, thread is at the bottom, fix it in that, then come on the right side, you can see the gap, come through that, again up one more gap is there, a lock type, come from that also and pull and see the thread is more tight or loose, it should be medium. Now we are going to fix the bobbin and bobbin case in the holder which is at the bottom. So see the bobbin case position one more time. You can see the yellow color, the open part of the bobbin case is up, it has to be upward always. Now we are going to open this plate. Generally we don't open this plate, we'll just put a hand from the bottom. Slowly you will get that practice. Initially you can open this plate because it's little hard always and time consuming. So make habit of putting the hand and just feel it that where is the bobbin case holder. It will just take some days and you will learn it easily. So now this bobbin case open part is up and I am placing it from the bottom with the help of my left hand, and I will fix it in that holder till the tuck sound comes. I have to press it. Means it is like fixing in one socket, you can say. Now I'll show you from the inside what happens and how the bobbin case is fixed in that bobbin case holder. I have filled the bobbin case, I had fixed the threads in the gaps, and now you will see the open part is up, and see here, this is a bobbin case holder which is below the machine, and now you can see there is one loop which I can hold and remove the bobbin whenever I want it to fix it properly or whatever I want to change the thread and all. Just start filling the thread now. Take the thread, fix it in the pool, then take the thread. There are 3 holes on this stand, just use it one. We don't need to use all the 3 holes, just take it one only, that is enough. Then second number is the wheel, the silver plates are there on this part. This part is called tension. There is one screw, there is one spring and 2 silver plates. We have to fix the thread in those 2 silver plates. See, it is tight. It should be medium tight, not very heavy. Then we are going to fix it in this one more stand. You can see here, you can put a thread in that. Then this loop is there which we can take it up and down with the help of wheel, the side wheel, the controller. If you move that, it will come up. When it is up, it is very easy to put the thread. So take it up and put the thread in that also. We have to put the thread in the series actually, one by one. You can see it easily. We cannot put thread anywhere we want. It has to go in one series. So we have put it here. Then there is one more loop at the corner. It's a black in color, so you are not able to see that. But when you operate the machine, you will see it easily. Put one thread there also, and then you are going to put it in the needle. So this was the placing of the thread series wise, one after another. Follow the series numbers and you will be done. So now this thread has been done. Then I have to take one more thread from the bottom, that is from the bobbin case. For that, what I will do, I'll just move this wheel very slowly and thread from the bobbin case and bobbin, it will come out automatically. You can see this now. It will hold it in this thread when we are moving the wheel. Now you can see there are 2 threads. Stitching now, the first lesson of the course. On the machine, we have taken a piece of cloth and we'll draw some random lines and we are going to stitch on that. We are just going to learn the control of the machine. We will try to stitch on the straight lines, then we can take some curves, some snake likes, you can make it, or you can make like jalebi, whatever you feel. It should be something roundish. Now first thing is, take the cloth, with the right hand lift that stopper, place your cloth below the needle and just press the footer which is on the bottom. Very slowly it should be. We are not going to give any production, we are going to give the finishing. So speed is not important for us, finishing is important. So I have stitched on the straight line. Again I'll take the second line. It's very easy. Just you have to press the accelerator which is at the bottom very carefully, very gently. Just see how it's coming. Step by step, very slowly. Don't cut the thread immediately, keep some space, so it will help you. And now I have done with all the stitches. The sides we can fold it and join. That is also one practice, how to fold and join the corners. You can practice that also. In short, we are learning today just the speed of the machine and bringing the stitches in a proper sequence. So just draw different shapes on the piece of cloth and try to stitch on that. In between threads will keep on cutting because it is new for you. No issues, keep patience and thread the needle again. So that will increase your patience and finishing also. So we are done today. This was the first lesson of the course. Keep practicing whenever you come to the classes. So best of luck for your upcoming lessons. Thank you.